The much-anticipated Audi E-tron GT has been revealed in two versions. The one is a regular and another is a sporty RS, which is performance-oriented. The RS is a four-door electric flagship and has a near-identical stance and proportions, with a heavily sloping roofline, wide track, broad shoulder line, and low bonnet. Audi offers the Matrix LED headlights with more dynamic light animations and tail lights with animations for the coming and leaving home function. The e-tron GT's dashboard is a driver-focused version of the one seen in current Audi sedans. Audi has also elected to return to a more traditional, single 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system layout with physical button for the climate control and 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Audi also offers a leather-free design package that uses sustainable materials like Econel, man-made leather and wool-like Cascade upholstery to name a few. Customers can also opt for a 16-speaker, 710 watts Bang & Olufsen sound system. Other features includes a wide variety of driver assistance and safety systems. The standard e-tron GT Quattro features a 238 horsepower electric motor powering the front axle and a 435 horsepower motor at the rear axle, providing an all-wheel drive layout. Both motors produce a total system output of 475 horsepower and 630 Nm. A boost mode takes peak power to 530 horsepower for 2.5 seconds when using launch control. The top speed is 245 km per hour, with 0 to 100 km per hour achievable in 4.1 seconds. It uses a 2-speed transmission for the rear motor, with a short ratio first gear for acceleration and a long ratio second gear for greater efficiency and high-speed performance. Total system output rises to 598 horsepower and 830 Nm of torque. In boost mode, power rises to 646 horsepower, and the RS e-tron GT is capable of 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.3 seconds, with a top speed of 250 km per hour. The estimated range reduces slightly over the standard car, to 472 km. The battery is an 85 kWh, 93 kWh total, unit mounted low in the car, allowing for a close to 50-50 weight distribution. The official WLTP range has yet to be set, but Audi's predicted figure is 488 km for the base GT. Audi has a competitive limited warranty that aligns with most luxury rivals. The company also covers the components of its electrical vehicles for 8 years or 100,000 miles. While it does provide some complimentary maintenance, it's one of the shortest periods on the market. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 8 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 1 year or 10,000 miles. The Audi e-tron GT is slated to be launched in India towards late 2021, in regular, S and RS trims. Audi is expected to price the e-tron GT on the higher side, with prices likely to start around the 1.6 core, ex-showroom, mark for the regular model. Once launched, the e-tron GT will compete with the Porsche Taycan. The German carmaker will also launch the e-tron SUV as its first EV in India.